Hey there and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the presets and the modes on your GoPro Hero without using the rear screen of your camera. It's quick and it's easy, and in this video, I'm going to show you how. This option may come in real handy if you are using the GoPro in a waterproof housing, say you're going diving or surfing or any underwater activity, and you may not be able to reach the back screen. Actually, the back screen is almost impossible to access with the waterproof housing. So the first thing you want to do is with the GoPro is if you turn it to face you, and if you put your finger on the mode button and then you press down on the shutter button straight after, so you'll see how on the screen, on the front screen now, we have a list of the presets that are available to use in the setting that you're currently in. So I'm currently in photo, so I have the options of photo, live burst, or burst, and just by pressing the mode button here on the side, and night photo as well, we can actually move to the setting that we wish to use. So say for example you go, you know what, I feel like a photo. Once you're happy with the photo, you press the shutter button to confirm it, and then when you're good to go, you just press the shutter button, and there you go, it's just taking a photo. So all you need to do is just press the mode button and move it through to the option that you wish to use. So for example, if you want to use, say, time lapse, you press the mode button until that option comes up. Once again, you're going to hold down those two buttons, but remember you want to press on the mode button first and hold that, and then press on the shutter button. So there we go. Now we have the time lapse options. And we have time warp, press the mode button, time lapse, or night lapse. When you found the option that you want to use, press the shutter button and then press it again to start recording in that mode. It's that simple. So there's one mode that we haven't done yet, so we'll just press on the mode button here to bring it back to video. Once again, we're going to hold down the mode button and then the shutter to bring up our selection of options, or the preset options that are available. So I have activity, I've got cinematic, I've got slow-mo, I've got looping. If you have any custom settings that you put in there as well, we'll just click on standard for the moment. Once we're happy with that, like the ones before, we press on the shutter button, and then if we press the shutter again, we're going to record in that particular mode. Now, if you want to take it off this option where we're only using the front screen, it's pretty simple. Like say you get out of the water after your scuba dive or your other underwater activity. Look here on the back, we'll see how the option is actually kind of grayed out. So in this case, we can see the word standard is very hard to see, it's being grayed out. So all you want to do is you just want to swipe down from the top of the screen, then it gives you the option where it says tap to unlock. We press that and your screen is unlocked and your GoPro is back to its normal mode. Hey, well, what a sweet, cool trick that is, and so simple and easy to do. If you want to find more great tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your GoPro, make sure you click on this video over here next. As usual, thanks for watching, and until next time, see you later.